niya? Oh, ito si Minyosa was commissioned by the government to create yung nakita mo yung kaldero ngayon. It is a product of the mind. You cannot estimate how much nalugi ka because it is the rendition of the mind of the Creator. Kung yan ang singil niya, di sabihin niya, edi huwag mong bilhin yung ayaw mo. Yan ang presyo ko. That's like a painting. Yung pintura, magpumisyon ka, sabi pagkatapos, family painting na ano talaga, pati yung mga mukha namin dyan sana, hanap